If you want to factory reset your Nintendo Switch 2 via recovery mode, then first of all we're gonna turn off our console. So over here we have the power button. We need to press and hold it for a couple of seconds until you see the power menu over here. Go to power options and power off the console. Once the console is off, we need to now press and hold both volume buttons. And while holding these buttons, press power button, but keep holding volume buttons until you see the recovery mode screen. Alright, and now as you can see we are in the recovery mode. Over here we have two options. We can restore settings, but we can also keep user data. So we will delete all data on the system except for save data, screenshots, videos, and user information. And you can also restore factory settings by choosing the last option over here, and this option allows you to delete literally every data that you have in the system. So select the desired option that you want to use. Of course, over here we need to press continue, and over here we have information about the Nintendo account, so you definitely want to read it out before you actually continue. But in this case we're gonna press continue. Over here you can also see that all software data saved on the microSD card, except for screenshots and videos, will become unusable, so keep that in mind. But the data on the microSD card will not be deleted. Alright, so let's just continue. Over here we need to wait a couple of seconds so that we can use the restore factory settings option. And there we go. Now the system is about to turn off. And that's pretty much it. After that you should be able to power on the console. And you might see the first setup screen again. So thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.